What's up, YouTube? It's the Internet Income Ninja, and I'm back again with another lead. This one comes to us from We Work Remotely. It's a website that's geared toward online recruitment, online jobs, predominantly toward people who are in the tech space, so programmers, software developers, people like those. It's not limited to those people, but that's their forte, if you want to call it that. So this lead is a senior infrastructure engineer, and you'll be working with files.com. Right, so that's the name of the company, files.com. Now it says, have you built and managed large cloud server deployments that have seen real product usage? Are you an expert at automation tools like Chef, Console, Terraform, and Vault? Do you the concepts of immutable infrastructure or DevSecOps call out to you? Oh, do the concepts of immutable infrastructure or DevSecOps call out to you? If so, we'd like you to learn about Files.com. Files.com operates dozens of services over 150 plus cloud server in 10 AWS regions. We rely on our ever-growing infrastructure team to keep those services running smoothly and securely. You'll be working with our existing deployments of Chef, Vault, Console, Docker, Ansible, ELK, Grafana, Stagd, Asterisk, MySQL, Redis, Memcached, ZROMQ, Puma, Jenkins, and many other exciting open source systems. Of course, you'll also have the freedom to deploy something else if it gets the job done. As a member of our infrastructure team, your work will be mostly project-based, but will also involve being part of an on-call rotation for the systems you maintain. Generally, there are not many after-hour incidents. So examples of projects our infrastructure team tackles: building zero downtime failover from one AWS region to another for complex web applications, securing our network using tools like Terraform and Vault, deploying and managing internal services for things like LDAP, VPN, and telephone, managing our AWS infrastructure that includes dozens of VPCs, S3 buckets, etc., designing and building our sophisticated monitoring stack and uptime alerting, contributing to the code base of our home-built FTP and SFTP server software that runs the FTP or SFTP interfaces of Files.com, maintaining our complex system of allocating dedicated IPs to Files.com customers and keeping those IPs highly available even across server or AZ migrations. Minimum qualifications: 5+ years of directly applicable experience managing large cloud server deployments that have seen real production usage, experience building distributed failure resistant architecture, including disaster recovery, backups, failover, etc. Significant experience working with GNU or Linux servers, including a complete understanding of the command line, PROC, services, processes, virtual memory, etc. Experience diagnosing and resolving problems in mission critical environments, comprehensive understanding of networking concepts, layers, firewalls, DNS, VPN, etc., and how to build secure infrastructure, and an awareness of common server security vulnerabilities. Proficiency with configuration management tools such as Chef or Puppet, and fluency with at least one major scripting language. Preferred qualifications: experienced programmer capable of writing code in at least 2 to 3 major programming languages, contributions to major open source projects, familiarity with large-scale monitoring and analysis systems such as ELK or Splunk. They use ELK or ELK. History managing a large database at scale. They use MySQL. Experience with the advanced features of public cloud platforms such as AWS or Azure. They use AWS. Experience working on a remote team. Now, if that sounds like something you want to try out for, you click apply for this position. If you haven't signed up, you should. If not, fill out the application form. Okay, So it goes on, it gives a little bit more detail, but it's pretty much the same thing we just went through just now. So it's a work from home position, USA only. Okay, and it gives you more about the company, a little bit about the role. It's pretty much the same thing. Like I said, the core beliefs, ready to apply, and here you would just copy and paste your cover letter right there, enter your name, last name, email address, phone number, and upload your resume. If you have a LinkedIn profile or something like that, you would put your personal website here, your location, so the city, state, and answer these questions. So will you now or in the future require sponsorship for employment visa status? So there's a drop down menu, yes or no. From where did you hear about this posting? Whether it's YouTube, whatever. These are some optional additional sections. So invitation for job applicants to self-identify as a US veteran. You could click that, fill that out. Gender, race information, or self-identification of disability. Enter all that information if you choose to, and then you submit your application, and then you're on your way. You sit back, look out for a response from them, and you're all set. But if working for a company or working for anyone is not your forte, and you like to start your own online business, check the links in the description below. These links take you to free webinars that explain how systems online work that can leverage the power of the internet to earn money while you're sleeping. These webinars are free, but if you choose to purchase a product, then this channel earns a commission. So full disclosure, if you don't want to purchase anything, the webinar is still free. So it's a win-win situation. You learn something, or you can learn something and invest in yourself. But thanks for watching to the end. Hit the like button, share this video with a friend or family member, subscribe. See you guys in the next one.